Welcome to another Strategic Thinking episode. These episodes cover topics related to business, industry and the economy, and also your place in it and the organisation that you work for, that you serve, that you're associated with, their place in it, and how that you and that organisation can achieve long-term success. These episodes are about creating a pathway to the future. This episode is about the future of business, particularly in a world full of computerization, big data, cloud computing, AI, robotics and so on. How is your business going? Stagnating? Too much competition? Not knowing what direction to head? Let me run a thought experiment. Let's go a bit of a thinking exercise here. Let's say you run a telemarketing business. You've got offices in, let's say, Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Brisbane. You employ hundreds of people right across this, and the tasks that they do are obvious. They call people and they try and progress the people they call along the sales pipeline. So it's hundreds of people talking all the time. It's a fairly labour-intensive business. Here's your competitor, and all they are using is several computers and half a dozen phone lines, and they are beating you. They are quite competitive. Do you think that's far-fetched? Here you are producing your service with people, and here's your competitor producing an identical service using computers. Do you think that's far-fetched? Have you heard of Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, Microsoft's Cortana? That same service that you produce, another is producing that same service, but using a different mechanism. It's using computing, it's using all that automation, it's using a different form. The point I'm making is this. In this age of computers and software and big data and artificial intelligence, so on and so forth, you can't assume that your competitors are producing the same products as you, the same way as you. So, what is the answer? What is the answer to business in a computerized world? The answer has everything to do with strategic thinking. It has everything to do with over-the-horizon thinking. It has everything to do with an innovation mindset. An innovation mindset is a forward-looking mindset. It's a mindset which is looking over the horizon, looking at those risks and those opportunities that are coming. What are the risks that I need to mitigate? What are the opportunities that I can potentially explore? It's not standing still, it's actually looking ahead. The future of your business is bright. You just need to think strategically about the options, about the future. Thanks for watching. All the best for the decisions that you need to make.